How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So, ExpressVPN costs this much per year. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking about the pricing and if there are any further discounts. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how you can get that discount. So typically, if you go to the website, this is the best deal you're going to be able to get, which is $832 a month for the 12-month plan. But if you click the link in the description down below, you'll be able to claim this deal, which will give you 3 extra months for free. So if you're interested in claiming this deal, be sure to check the link in the description down below. And if you'd like to learn more about ExpressVPN, you'll also find a full review that'll give you more of an in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, keep in mind that all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out any of the plans for 30 days risk-free. And they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, even if you just go for the 1-month plan, which is pretty generous. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, you'll find the link in the description down below, as well as the full review. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.